Hello. This is what I'm going for as far as a design for the homepage. And this is my blank Dittofi project that I just created. And so the first thing that I'm going to do is I've built it in VS Code. But if you have an HTML page or file and CSS file and JavaScript file from Figma, then what you'll want to do is to copy between the body, not the scripts. If you have JS down here, not that. I'll get to that in a second. So I'm copying that. I'm going to click on this code button up here. There, right there. And then I'm just going to paste. And I'm going to hit update. And then I'm going to go to the page. I'm going to, now of course I haven't put any images in here, so those will all be blank. I want to, first go to this wrench down here in the tools, as these are tools, go to public files, and I'm going to upload my CSS file and my JavaScript file. Okay, so there's my CSS file. And then I want to upload my JavaScript file. Okay, and then we'll go back to the page, and this is the home page or the index. We'll go to edit page settings from the chevron drop down, the pages fly out, and then scroll down until you see imports, and then you want to add imports. And so I'm using a bunch of Bootstrap. So I'm going to copy in Bootstrap stuff first. So I'm just taking the URL from what I put in my VS Code. And then I'm going to add another one. This is for the icons. And then I have one more from Google Fonts. Okay, let's put this in. I might move that to the CSS, my other CSS file. And because this does follow the way that you're putting them in, we want to put in, oops, I don't want that. You know what, let's do the JavaScript first. And these are both Bootstrap. And we just need to change the type to JS. And so these really aren't going to change, other than I might take the Google font one and put it in my custom CSS file. So down the end, what I want to do is add the CSS file and the JavaScript file that I've created. I'm going to copy this. I'm not going to copy the link address. I'm going to copy it because this address is not what, if you click on it, it's not what it goes to. It goes to storage and not the actual file. So that's my CSS. And now let's go for the JS. I'm going to copy it. Go back to the page and put that in. And now I'm going to save that. And I'm going to build my code. I can already see that some of it has worked. And let's preview. So if the images were there, then that would be great. That would be pretty much what this looks like. Yep, it is. And you may have to do a few little tweaks. Oh. But for the most part, that's how you do it. Thanks.